Hi and welcome back to the channel. This is today's puzzle. It's a 1000-piece 1980s jigsaw from Gibsons. Let's get into it. So there's a funny story that goes with this puzzle. This was a gift to me. It was left on my desk one day when I got into work. It was just there, and it turns out that someone had heard about the missing piece and actually been out and bought me a jigsaw and left it for me to complete on the channel. So really nice gift. I like the theme of this. It's right up my street, all that sort of 1980s nostalgia that's going to be there. So really looking forward to getting this one started. The last time I did a 1000-piece puzzle took me nearly 9.5 hours, so I'm hoping I can get this done in a sub 9-hour time. Let's get cracking. Here we go. Right, let's start the timer. Okay, so we've just hit 2 hours, so I just thought I'd give us a quick update. Looking okay, I think. Looking mainly okay. I've done a lot of this weekend, this Macintosh weekend. I've got the curly whirly going, Star Bar, I've got the Milky Bar, the double deckers there. This is the marathon, refreshers. I've got a few bits off to the side here. I've started making the roses thing, the fruit gums, and that's all bits for the opal fruits. So I think we're doing alright. I think we're doing pretty good. I'm hoping I can get this done sub 9 hours like I predicted, so I'm really pleased with that. I'm just going to carry on, try and get it done as quick as possible. So I'll get going again. Okay, so we've just gone over 3 hours there, and I thought I'd better just pause and have a quick update here because I seem to be getting through this quite fast. If I wait another hour it might nearly be done, so I thought a quick update would be good. We've done curly whirly, fruit pastels, we've got the Lion Bar there, picnic, double decker, we've got the bounties coming in, this aero section, we've even got the Twix and the Galaxy there as well. So it's coming on pretty well. And I find it quite easy, not that it's easy, but I can really recognise the pieces because I'm so familiar with these brands. It's looking good though. I think I might be able to get this done before the 9-hour prediction that I made. So if that happens, I'll be pleased about that. Right, I'm going to carry on. Okay, so we just went over 4 hours by a few minutes. I didn't realise I was so engrossed in the puzzle. I forgot to pause the timer. But it's coming together really well, isn't it? And I'm looking around, there's about 150 pieces left, and that's about, at 4 hours, they've got 150 pieces to go. So I think there's probably going to be another hour left in this. And if that's right, then this is going to be the fastest time that I've ever done a 1,000-piece puzzle. So that's quite exciting for me, at least. But let's get everything together, let's get it all finished, and let's see what time we finish up at. Well, there we go, it's finished. I got it finished in 4:38 and 8 seconds. And that's a personal best for me. I've never actually done a 1,000-piece puzzle any quicker than that. So, quite happy about that, I'm quite pleased about that. I think the reason I got it done so quick is that I'm quite familiar with all these brands. And every piece sort of, I could almost identify, you know, whereabouts on the puzzle it'd be. So I sort of made piles of like, oh, this is a bounty pile, this is the marathon pile, this is the galaxy pile, and so on. And I think it kind of worked, it kind of paid off, and I got it done in record time, so I'm really pleased about that. But I really like this puzzle. It's just got all that 80s nostalgia about it. It's so nice. Let me know in the comments what your favourite is on here. We'll see what comes out on top. I'm going to give this a 2 out of 5 for difficulty, given that I managed to do it in record time. So I think it might be quite an easy puzzle to do overall. Still 1,000 pieces and still some areas where you're going to struggle, but overall, you know, if you know these brands like I do, you'll be able to tell where every piece goes. That brings us to the end of the video, and thanks for watching The Missing Piece. If you did enjoy this video, give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. I'll be back again soon with another jigsaw.